Yeah, so here I've got my 2007 VE Commodore. It was an Omega when I got it, but done a few mods to it, like these Altezza LED tail lights, the Calais, or well, the HSV Senator boot lip, with the twin quad tip exhaust, and I've got these Advanti Tourer wheels. They look cool, right? I reckon. And in the engine bay here, I've got this intake by Orssom. Sounds pretty good. You can hear the intake noises. On the inside, it's pretty. The seats are pretty standard, but I've got HSV dash cluster, HSV gauges, and a head unit out of a Maloo. So I'll just start it up. So you get the Maloo screen, welcome, and then start up, the gauges come alive. So yeah, all the gauges work. On the screen it shows you the range of the fuel you got, and you get the instantaneous fuel that you're using at the moment. It's pretty neat, I guess. If you guys have any questions about putting the SSV Calais or the HSV head units in your car, let me know. I can program them. I've got an eBay account. You can just contact me through there, or you can ask me any questions in the comments. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.